Are you struggling to get more subscribers on YouTube? You post videos, but the views barely trickle in, and your sub count stays the same? What if I told you there's a secret formula that big YouTubers use to grow fast? Stick around because in just 3 minutes, I'll show you how to hack the YouTube algorithm to gain subscribers on autopilot. First, your title and thumbnail are everything. If no one clicks, YouTube won't push your video. Here's the formula. Use power words like shocking, insane, and must watch. Add curiosity like you won't believe this. Keep it under 60 characters for mobile users. For thumbnails, make them pop. Use bright colors, big text, and an emotional face to grab attention. Pro tip. Before uploading, test your thumbnail in black and white. If it still stands out, it's a winner. The first 5 seconds decide if people watch or click away. Here's how to hook them. Start with a bold statement or question. Did you know 90% of YouTubers fail because of this? Tease the video's best moment up front. Cut the fluff. No, hey guys, welcome back. Get straight to the point. SEO isn't dead. The right keywords can get you discovered fast. Here's how. Use YouTube's search bar to find trending phrases in your niche. Add those keywords in your title, description, and first 10 seconds of speech. Use hash shorts or hash viral if relevant to ride algorithm waves. YouTube loves videos that keep people watching. Do this. Use pattern interrupts, zoom-ins, sound effects, and quick cuts. Ask a question early to trigger comments. Add a subtle subscribe call to action at the most exciting moment, not at the start. One video won't make you famous, but a bingeable series can. Here's how organize related videos into playlists. Add an end screen that links to your best performing video. Use pinned comments and descriptions to guide viewers to more content. Now you know the YouTube growth formula. Try these tips and watch your channel explode. And hey, if you found this valuable, tap that like button. It helps more than you think. Subscribe for more growth hacks, and I'll see you in the next video.